Let's get started with a question from Gujarat. Prakash wants to know, he wants to invest in property in Bagodra, Ahmedabad near Dholera. Now he asks us if this is a good investment opportunity. His budget is 10 lakh rupees. Would you advise retail investors to look at Dholera as an investment, from the point of view of investment at this point in time?
I think Dholera is still way too early, and we've been saying this consistently on the show for a long time. When there is economic activity happening and there is significant rise in consumer demand, that's when you'll get good returns. Now, that stage is way down the line. Even the infrastructure is still getting, set up. So I think it's a little early, but just to answer his query, what can he get? About 200 to 280 square yard plots in early stage developments are available in Bagodra, and there is also a 1 BHK units of about 600 square feet. Now look at it like this, Kavita. If you invest in that and you buy it today, you're going to hold it for at least 5-8 years, depending on how fast the Dholera development happens. Even when the infrastructure development happens, consumer interest takes another 2 years to happen. So I think you're talking about a very long-term investment, and I'm not sure as a retail investor you should take that much risk, because there are many a slip between the cup and the lip, and in real estate we've seen that over the last few years.
And to bring our viewers up to speed, Dholera, of course, is part of the DMIC, or the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor, and there is a special investment region that is coming up at Dholera. Very quickly, Jayashree, tell us this. If Prakash has his heart set on Dholera, when should he actually go ahead and invest over there? What are the signals that would tell him that, okay, this is the right time now, this is the time a retail investor can actually enter and put in his money?
I think the best time to think about this is when infrastructure work actually happens on the ground. When ground is being broken, when there is the piers set up, when there is infrastructure work happening, that's the time when you know that there is light at the end of the tunnel. Today it's still at the planning stage. Let the plan happen. Let there be some amount of traction on the ground. Let the cranes start moving, as I always say. If the cranes start moving, that's the time when, as a retail investor, you can consider that.
Let the cranes start moving. That is very, very important, because that also signifies that there is enough activity for you to venture into that particular market. Otherwise, like Jayashree just pointed out, you are looking at an 8, 10 or a longer 8 to 10 years, or even a longer period of time to wait for that investment to actually go ahead and appreciate.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.